PhotoRoom is a powerful mobile app and online platform that allows users to easily remove the background from photos. It uses advanced AI technology to automatically detect the foreground object in an image and remove the background, resulting in professional-looking images with transparent backgrounds. This can be incredibly valuable for various purposes like e-commerce, social media, graphic design, or personal use as it saves time and effort compared to manual editing. With PhotoRoom, users can quickly create product images for online stores or enhance their social media posts by adding custom backgrounds or merging multiple images together seamlessly. Overall, PhotoRoom simplifies the process of removing backgrounds from photos and provides an efficient solution for anyone needing high-quality image editing.
How to use PhotoRoom, there is 5 things you must know: how to download and install it, how to import photo, how to remove background from a photo and add a new background, explanation of each editing tools, and how to save it. Let's go there.
Open your Play Store or Apple Store. In this guide I'm going to use Play Store. Now open it. Type in on the search bar
PhotoRoom.
click on it. Here, click on it. As you can see here, I've already installed it, so click on download it. And now for the second one, go back, open the application, wait for it to load up. Now click on continue. Here are the premium payment based on subscription. Now click on this cancel icon if you don't want to pay for the premium payment but want to use it. Now select how you are going to use it, either alone or as a team. I will click on alone. Now select what you want to use it to do. I will click on creator. Here, select the picture. This is just startup guide. So select the picture by clicking on select a photo. Now click on allow. Go to your gallery where you kept the picture.
Or select a picture by going to latest gallery by clicking back navigation button icon.
Here, find the picture you want to edit. I'm going to use this one as an example. The app will automatically remove the background. Now click on start creating. See it. So you can see the background is removed entirely, is cut out entirely, perfectly.
You can save it like this, but to add it background, watch.
Now select the background you want it to be. I will use low key. Here are the editing tools.
Layers, which is used to add photos. Insert feature allows you to add images or graphics to your photos. It can be used to overlay logos, stickers, text, or any other visual elements onto your images. This feature helps you customize and enhance your photos according to your preferences. Text feature is used to add text to your photos. It allows you to choose different fonts, sizes, colors, and styles for your text. You can use this feature to create captions, quotes, or any other text-based elements on your images. It provides a simple and intuitive way to customize and personalize your photos with text overlays. Background feature is used to change or remove the background of an image. It allows you to replace the original background with a solid color, a gradient, or even another image. This feature is particularly useful for product photography or when you want to isolate your subject from its surroundings. By changing the background, you can create a more professional and visually appealing look for your photos. Shadow. Shadow feature is used to add a realistic shadow effect to your images. It helps create depth and dimension by simulating the way light falls on objects in real life. By adding a shadow, you can make your subject appear more grounded and integrated into its environment. The shadow feature in PhotoRoom allows you to adjust parameters such as size, opacity, angle, and distance of the shadow. You can customize these settings based on your preferences or to match the lighting conditions of your photo. Adding shadows can enhance the overall visual appeal of your images and make them look more professional. Resize. Resize feature allows you to change the dimensions of your photo. You can make it smaller or larger depending on your needs. Resizing can be helpful when you want to fit an image into a specific frame or adjust its size for different platforms like social media profiles, websites, or printing purposes. To resize a photo in PhotoRoom.
Now, in order to save it, click on this export icon. Here, if you want to create an account for it to save on cloud for later editing, but if you don't want to do it, click on this cancel icon on the top and click on done, which is on the top here. After you save it to your gallery, now click on this save to gallery. As you can see, it is saved. That's how to do it. In order to use this app to the fullest, you must subscribe for the pro version.
Please consider subscribing for more, and if you are viewing from Facebook, please tap the follow icon in general for more ultimate guide like this, because more is coming.
See you on the next video. Peace.